Severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alamance County, northeastern Guilford County until 3:45 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Camp Springs, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gust 10-quarter size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roads,
There it is.